Alright, hello to you all. This is going to be an unboxing of one of Olight's new products. I give a little warning on their envelope that they ship the product in. That's kind of nice. But this is a new rail-mounted light with a laser. This is the Olight PL-2RL. It comes with a 1200 lumen light with a 400 lumen low power option and a red laser. So it comes packaged nicely, and inside the package you have your light itself and some instructions. Comes with a list that tells you what firearms it is compatible with. So I happen to have at least 2 of them here that they will fit on, and tells you some information about the mounting and comes with the mounting tool. I'm not sure if it comes with batteries though. Let's see. So I'll have to get some batteries, but first I'm going to compare it to other lights that Olight is primarily competing with, and that is Streamlight and Surefire. So these are not the exact models that Surefire and Streamlight will compete with Olight for. The direct competitor from Surefire will be the X400. For the red dot laser, a light combo from Surefire, that's going to cost you around $430. For this, for Streamlight, it's the TLR2. That's going to cost you a little bit over $300 for a green laser. Where this comes in, I got this for $85, but the retail price is usually going to be around $130, I believe. So what you get, a 1200 lumen light, red laser. The specs are a lot better from what you get over here. I believe it's 800 lumens, green laser for over $300. 800 lumens, red laser for around $430. So what you are offered here gives you a whole bunch more bang for your buck. As far as the size comparison, you will have a little extra width with these other lights when you do enter the laser models. But as far as, if you know, they are comparable in size. I'm gonna pop some batteries in here. It's nighttime outside. I'm gonna look at the beams, compare the 3, and see which one I like more. All right, so the Olight does come with batteries shipped. It just has this little plastic covering over the batteries. Just remove that and it's good to go. So I really do not have the camera equipment to give you guys a good representation of the different beam patterns outside. Inside, neither of the lights give, you know, what I would say an advantage over the other. There are different tints between them. I believe that is all, you know, left up to your own personal like, dislike. As far as outside goes, as far as what beam throws the farthest, it is hands down the Surefire does give you the farthest illumination out of all 3 of these lights. I used to bash Surefire, didn't think they were worth it, but I got an X300 and then a couple of their lights for rifles, specifically for rifles, and they do outperform what I believe some of the more budget options. The Streamlight, it is, I believe it is, has been one of my favorite bang for your bucks. I got about 3 of these, and they're ProTech rails for a rifle as well. And Olight, this is my first one, and what I have to say, it is nice. The light color and the controls on this are something I could easily get used to. So on this, at the bottom, this is how you control it. You have this throw lever, and it is clearly marked how it is supposed to, what it changes. So right here, if it will focus, there you go. Far to the left, you have the light only, light and laser, and all the way to the far right is going to be your laser only. To operate it, there's a difference between short presses and long deep presses. So For just momentary, it's just one click and it's going to stay on. For constant on. For momentary, just a long click and it's going to go off. To switch between the brightness between 400 lumens and 1200, you give it a quick click and then it's going to diminish its power output. Brighter, lower. I still do think overall the Streamlight is my favorite, has my favorite controls out of pistol lights or lights in this configuration. It's something I'm much more used to, and I like that constant on strobe function and everything. So if you get something like this, or even the Olight without the laser, there are a couple of downsides, and one thing is holster compatibility. So that's why these two are usually going to be more popular options, because there are several holsters out there that fit a wide variety of your firearms already. And what I do have to say, this is going to be my first time mounting it. I'm not sure I'm really a fan of this pistol mounting system. So it fits snugly. I'm not sure if this is going to be compatible with any other holsters, but you know you're going to have a hard time finding one for this since it is new. But the throw lever, not an issue, stays on tight. It did not have any play there. And for something, I believe this is compatible more with the regular Glock mounts. There we go. So yeah, it's rock solid even on a in-spec a Picatinny rail and then a not spec, no usual Glock mount. So with my hands, no issues. Been able to reach with either hand. For your controls to switch, it's not too bad being able to reach under and switch to the setting you want. So I haven't seen any terrible reviews en masse about this light, so I'm sure it's going to be fine. I'll take it to the range some, see how it holds up. Again, for the price, $85, or even the full retail price around $130, you cannot beat the specs. 1200 lumens, red laser, especially when you look at the other lights out there that are the leaders. So thank you for watching. Look forward to more reviews after I've tested this light out some more.